Hello and welcome back. Today we are talking about Zoom because Zoom has earnings tomorrow after market close. Now, Zoom belongs to a group of companies I call the COVID crushers. These are companies that have seen astronomical gains since the beginning of the COVID-19 crisis. How that's going to reflect in earnings, I don't quite know yet. But let's get into it. But before we do, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I do earnings and biopharma catalyst content like this almost every day. And a lot of these are time sensitive, so you're gonna wanna know the second they come out. All right, without further ado. Since March, Zoom has pretty much been on a trip straight to space, seeing a 43% gain in share value since their last earnings and a 300% gain overall since March. Normally when we see these kind of gains, we start talking about bubbles, but this company has the revenue and earnings to match it, and not to mention an earnings record that would make even a jaded bear shit his pants. That all being said, guidance for this quarter is actually predicting that this company is going full-blown parabolic. Now with revenue numbers like Zoom, the question isn't do we buy it. Is earnings already priced in? Because even though Zoom has beat literally every time in its history, it still dove post-earnings 2 out of its last 5 earnings. Although even on its biggest post-earnings dive, it only saw about a 16% decline, which we can protect ourselves from with a very well-placed credit spread. Looking at the probability analysis, we could choose a short leg around 277 with a September 4th expiration date and have about a 68% chance to win purely on the volatility statistics. On the other hand, if we were feeling really bullish, the risk to reward is really there for a call around 310, or even a little bit higher if you want to get a cheaper premium, as long as it's inside 322. So the verdict here is I'm going to be doing a put credit spread with my short leg at 277.5 and my long leg at 275, both with expirations of 9-4. As an alternate, a 317 call with an expiration of 9-4 also does make some sense. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's my Zoom play. If you're new here, make sure to check out the Options University subreddit and Discord. There's links down below. That, along with everything else I post, is entirely free content. I just ask that you like and subscribe. Also, if you're looking for a broker, a good source of stock market news, or a good source of options flow, I have referral links down below that give us both a bonus when you use if you sign up. All right, make some money, guys. See you tomorrow.